Welcome to the Man and the Pan, and today I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make Mabo tofu. You just buy this house package Mabo tofu. It's like one slam, okay? Man with a pan and one slam, okay? First of all, I put them on the fire just like this. Put a little bit oil inside, just like that, okay? Need some ground pork. I'm going to fry up some ground pork in a pan, okay? Just like this, okay? Okay. Okay, you stir fry the ground pork. So what you gotta do, this is simple, only ground pork and tofu and the Mabo tofu meat. Okay, it's going full blast now. The pink is all gone. Okay, lower the heat a little bit. And you put in the Mabo tofu mix, okay? Mix it all up. Lower the heat, okay? Now to this, you add in some tofu. So grab the tofu, dump it right inside here. Mix it all up, just like this. Okay, it seems like it's all heated up, and I think it's all done. Mabo tofu. Green, actually, green onion would be real nice on this. Okay? Oh. There you go. Mabo tofu. I gotta see how good it is. Okay, let's check it out. Oh! 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 There you go. So we'll see you next time on the Man and the Pan. Aloha.